Hello, this is an AtlasHR onboarding tutorial. We're going to go over how to complete Form I-9 as part of the onboarding process. So if you are walking through the onboarding, you will come to a section here that says Complete Form I-9 or My Form I-9, something like that. And in that step, there'll be a link that says View Your I-9 Forms. So you'll click that. And if you come to the screen and you see something like this right here, where there's a line item already with a pencil, that means you started an I-9 previously perhaps and came back to it, you didn't finish. And if that's the case, you can click this little pencil to continue editing the I-9 that you already started. But if there's nothing here, then you can come up here and click Add New in the right hand corner, which we'll go ahead and start a new one. And then click Create I-9. And this will pop up the Form I-9 that needs to be completed. And this form will be pre-populated with information that's already in the system, such as your name and address and social. One quick way to know what fields need to be populated here is just to click Submit. So when I click Submit, that tells me all the fields that are required that are not currently populated. So whether or not I used a preparer or translator, if I'm a citizen, and then a couple of these fields, we can just put NA in if they don't apply, so other last names or apartment number. And I'll say I am a citizen, and then I'll say I did not use a preparer. And then when I'm done, there's information below, but that's for your employer to complete. This first page is all you need to complete as an employee. Click Submit I-9. And then the last step is to sign it, which in this case you're putting in your password to digitally sign it. Your company might have it set up so you actually sign this with your mouse, or if you're using a touch screen, you can put in an actual signature. Otherwise, though, you're going to put in your password and click I agree. And then once that's done, the form is signed. We see it says success, saved. Now all we need to do is click back. And we can see that because we had started one before, that's still here, but here's the one that we just completed and it's signed, so that one's good to go. So our employer will just need to delete that old one. So then I'll click back again to come back to the checklist, and then we're good to go. So that's going to conclude the quick run through of the I-9 process. Thanks.